Welcome to today's Explainer. We're taking a look at some of the most awe-inspiring individuals to ever walk the earth. And we aren't just looking at the raw numbers here. We're going to unpack the actual science, the incredible human stories, and the sheer, mind-boggling scale of the world's tallest men.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Do you know who the world's tallest living person is right now? Take a second and just think about it. It's one of those questions that completely captivates the imagination, mostly because it pushes the absolute boundaries of what we think the human body is actually capable of achieving.
Section 1. The world's tallest man.
Meet Sultan Kösen. Hailing from Turkey, he is officially recognized by the Guinness World Records. And getting that title? It's not easy. It requires rigorous, incredibly precise official measurements by their team. Sultan stands literally head and shoulders above the rest of humanity, securely cementing his place as a modern icon.
Just look at that initial measurement. 8 feet, 1 inch. I want you to try and visualize that scale in the room you're sitting in right now. Seriously, look up at your ceiling. That was Sultan's officially recorded height when he first captured the attention of the Guinness World Records and initially claimed his monumental title.
But here is where the story gets even more astounding, because just 2 years later, by the time Sultan turned 26 years old, he had actually continued to grow. His height reached a staggering 8 feet 2.8 inches. It's just incredible to think about. Well into his mid-20s, a time when most of us stopped growing a decade prior, his body was still actively expanding to these unprecedented heights.
Let's move to and see how this builds in Section 2, the tallest human in history.
We are stepping back in time to meet Robert Wadlow. Historically, he's known by an incredibly fitting and famous nickname, the Giant of Illinois. Just the name alone sparks your curiosity, doesn't it? He remains a truly legendary figure in recorded history. This was someone whose mere physical presence left people absolutely spellbound. So, the crucial point here is, this is an absolute, unmatched, record-breaking number, 8 feet, 11.1 inches. He was literally nearly 9 feet tall. This extraordinary height was officially noted back in July of 1940, and it's a measurement that has never been matched, let alone surpassed, in all of recorded human history. However, this historical record carries a very heavy emotional weight. Tragically, Robert Wadlow passed away at the incredibly young age of just 22 years old. It's a really somber reality, one that reminds us of the immense physical toll and the incredible strain that such extreme proportions can ultimately take on the human body. Looking at this comparison side by side really puts things into perspective for us. You have Sultan Kösen, our incredible modern record holder at 8 feet 2.8 inches, and right there with him, the historical giant Robert Wadlow at 8 feet 11.1 inches. While Sultan's height is undeniably breathtaking, Wadlow's historical record remains this towering anomaly of the past.
Section 3. The science of such extreme height.
So, how does this actually happen? The answer lies in a specific medical condition called pituitary gigantism. This is the medical disorder directly responsible for causing such extraordinarily tall height. There's no magic here at all. It's a specific biological glitch. Let's look at exactly how this works under the hood. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how that biological chain reaction happens. First, you have the pituitary gland operating in the brain, which manages human growth hormone. Second, a disorder or sometimes a tumor occurs, which damages that specific gland. And third, because of that damage, the gland releases abnormal amounts of human growth hormone. It essentially overrides the body's natural stop signals, letting an excess of growth hormone flood the system. In the cases of Sultan and Robert, that massive excess fueled their relentless upward growth.
Section 4. Life beyond the records.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is looking beyond his staggering heights, because Sultan's everyday reality operates on a massive scale. Thanks to that same pituitary condition, Sultan doesn't just hold the record for being the tallest man. He also holds the records for having the tallest hands, measuring a massive 28.5 centimeters, and the tallest feet at 36.5 centimeters. I mean, just imagine the logistics of trying to find a pair of shoes. Before his global fame, he worked as a farmer in Turkey, living a relatively quiet, grounded life. But his unique stature eventually thrust him into the global spotlight, incredibly leading to a Hollywood film debut back in 2016. What a phenomenal journey from a farm in Turkey straight to the silver screen. Which brings us to our final thought for this explainer, and it's a pretty profound one. Where did the limits of the human body finally end? We've seen a human being reach almost 9 feet tall, but what is biologically possible? It's a deep mystery of biology that leaves us staring up in wonder. Thank you so much for joining me to unpack these amazing sources today. Keep questioning, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.